Yeah. All right, so.
I don't know what about caramel. Yellow ribbon too. Is it here? Not here. Lavender.
These.
How are you?
Doing well. Hello.
Look at this. This is lavenders, different types. And fairy, pink. That is the bluish. This is really different. I don't know what kind of flower. Belly of dairy. I don't know. Something. It's mint. Oh, there you go. This is rosemary.
Thyme.
Thyme. Mint. Tomato. We have so many of this at home. Cell stevia. This is the rosemary. Mine is fatter than this one. Oh, look at that one. Hey, we should buy the seed of this. Lady finger.
There she is. Right?
Yeah, we should buy one.
Mommy, I got some more.
Lady fingers, huh?
Yeah,
Lady finger.
lady finger.
Looks like they got tea over yonder. If you can grab that before we start.
Yeah, sure, let's go. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Look at the field. They're pretty.
Yeah. Been here a while.
Huh?
Been here a while.
Yes. This one.
I'm assuming.
Ha. Yeah, this one. Lenny. Lavender. Something. Hey, there's
Manok?
chicken. Manok. Kiwi. Shores. Ta-da. How's it?
Refreshing. Let's see.
You want more? You want more?
Probably a good idea.
Hold this.
Since we haven't eaten or drank anything all day long.
Yeah, this is lemon, lavender, and some something. Oh, sorry, that's it.
Howdy. How are
Sorry, I
you?
wasn't here. I was taking the girl back to her mom, but basically what I just said, help yourself to lemonade.
All right. It's very good.
So, yeah. Do you have any questions about anything? Culinary lavender stuff?
So it doesn't look like you use too much lavender in there.
No, so what it was is, well, they made a simple syrup first, and with the sugar and the water, and then infused it with the lavender flowers, and then strained out the lavender flowers and mixed that with lemon juice and water. So the only reason there's flowers in this is because we garnished it today, but it was completely strained, and it gets the pink color from this blue colored lavender.
Cool.
So
Nice.
yeah. And then we do have these little, I don't know, little cookies for sale. They're $3 a piece. They're made locally though. They're the little macaroons, lavender macaroons. So
Cool.
yeah.
And swing back around. Really.
Right, thanks. We'll go back later. Oh, look at those flowers. Sure.
Yeah, we have they're both lavender lemonades. This is
Shall we go back there and then we will go to the field? Look at this field, it's pretty big. I want.
Alright. I'm gonna snap a picture, okay?
Hi guys! Okay, we're going to the field of lavender. So yeah, so show you lavender field. And this is cherry trees right here. And yeah, pretty. Love it. We have lavender at home. She has a lavender and it's already healthy and lots of flower. So here is a field with lavender and lots of different kinds of flower, like sunflower. I don't know, there's other flower, I didn't see them yet. Before, they were new for me, but I'll show you later what's the name of it. Some of them are wildflowers. So look at this thing here. Look, they look like flower, but they were like a weed.
Alfalfa. It's
Alfalfa.
grown for the
Alfalfa.
cows.
Yeah, and there you go. Back there is the field of lavender. Alrighty, I'll show you. And I wish I could. I think this is a flower of the cherries they were going to have, and yeah, it's pretty. There you go. And that's it. It's a lavender field. Like it was here already in the field. So that we just came from there. No, yeah, that field right there. Yeah. What is that thing?
All the roses, and the different kinds of lavender.
Yeah, they were different kinds of lavender too. There were lots of them. And okay, guys, we're here. We're going. Okay, we can go. I'm not ready. Yep. So, of course, sunflower.
Sunflowers.
We can go here. Ah, sunflower. Look at the sunflower. Lavender. Shoo, lots of bees.
These are happy.
Happy bees. Oh God. Oh, look at this one. Look at this. Bluebell. No?
No, these are different.
Wait, look at this big. They're so cute. I'm so pretty.
That's pretty. Ooh, look at that bumblebee.
Oh, look at the bumblebee, so big. I saw Tuppy. Tuppy.
one in a sea of purple.
Tuppy's the only one. We can go inside. Oh my goodness. corals. Look at the corals.
Mhm.
And yeah, lots of lavender too. Lavenders. Like the butterflies for you.
Yeah.
Oh, I saw this one. Tanglad. No, this is not tanglad. It's lemongrass, not lemongrass. Something. Oh, it's pretty. Yes, sunflowers right there.
Mhm.
Yeah, we're going back there. So I still want to see the fields of it. So you can see there it's a garfield. That's not garfield.
Station pool. No posted.
That one there. Oh, they were different different bees. Oh, I'll show you guys here. It's Africa. It's a fruit.
Yeah. Apricots on the tree.
This is apricot. They were still growing.
Still green, still growing.
Green. Oh. Where are you? And this is not too sure. Something. Oh, very pretty. Do you want more? That one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're okay. Okay.
we just came. We just came from the lavender field, and now we're heading to find a place to eat. Eat. So we're still in Palisade, as you see.
It's Orchard Mesa.
This is okay. This is Orchard Mesa. I'm sorry. East of Orchard Mesa. But yeah, there's still fields of lots of things. They were pretty. They were green. They were so glorious. And the Scarfield behind there. I think this is apricots or pears, and this the other side is. Oh, the trees are pretty. If I had a tree in our house, I put a swing in it.
We have 2 trees, but we have enough.
No, 1 tree enough. 2 tree is better. Blue sky.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay
You
dead,
can see me riding on the pavement. Your kids, they're growing up in basements. Online a whole new generation. I'm a main part, so you better go take it. Always they need a new replacement. Decentralized, can't contain it. Work changing lives, yeah, upgrading. Calling suicide as a younger generation. Keep you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. You got me like, oh yeah. I think that we've all had enough. Sick of dealing with the old plan. They know that we're calling it wrong. Hey, it's too late to try to go contain it. A generation fueled by creation. We live lives on a small screen nation. We control the airwaves, no negotiation. night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.